I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Flutter versus VS Code themes. We'll dive into how each platform handles visual customization, from color schemes to component styling. Understanding these differences is crucial for developers aiming to create consistent and appealing user interfaces. We'll explore the unique strengths and limitations of each theming system, helping you decide which approach best suits your project's needs and enhances your development efficiency. Let's get started. Flutter's theming is built on a declarative model, primarily using the theme data class. This powerful class allows you to define a comprehensive set of visual properties, including primary colors, accent colors, and text styles, all in one place. Widgets then effortlessly inherit these properties, ensuring a unified look and feel throughout your application. This approach makes it straightforward to implement consistent branding and adapt your app's appearance with minimal code changes, saving you valuable development time. VS Code themes, on the other hand, focus on personalizing the integrated development environment itself. These themes are typically defined in JSON files, meticulously mapping colors to specific UI elements like syntax highlighting, editor background, and sidebar components. The vast marketplace offers thousands of themes, from dark to light, allowing developers to tailor their coding environment. A well-chosen VS Code theme can significantly reduce eye strain and boost productivity during long coding sessions, making your workspace truly your own. Ultimately, determining which theming system is better depends entirely on your objective. Flutter's theming empowers you to craft the visual identity of your application with granular, programmatic control over every UI element. Conversely, VS Code themes are about optimizing your personal coding environment for comfort and efficiency. Both systems excel in their respective domains, offering robust customization capabilities. The key is to leverage each for its intended purpose to achieve the best results for your project and workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.